I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Audacity and importing your vocal file. Make a duplicate track immediately so you can blend processed and clean signals. Set the project to 44, 1 kHz and 16-bit, and lower master gain to leave about 6 dB headroom to avoid clipping. Once done, select the duplicate and zoom in to view breaths and clicks. Remove obvious pops with the envelope or delete tool to keep the processed result clean and focused. Next, sculpt the timbre. Apply filter curve EQ as a bandpass from roughly 300 Hz to 3.5 kHz to mimic a radio's limited bandwidth. Once done, add compression with a 3:1:6:1 ratio, fast attack and medium release to tighten dynamics without pumping. Then add a small amount of distortion or use the hard limiter to introduce harmonic grit, make it subtle and listen. Finally, automate or manually mix the wet duplicate with the original to finish, add a touch of short room reverb or tiny delay to give the radio voice presence without sounding distant. Keep decay short. Normalize or amplify the final track to about -3 dB and check the result in mono to ensure phase integrity. If problems arise, make sure low frequencies aren't building up from EQ or distortion and that duplicate tracks aren't out of phase. If you hear thin or hollow sound, invert phase on one track and reassess the wet/dry balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.